guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you my most favorite products for February and also some disappointing products that didn't work out for me. The first products that I want to show you is two highlighters, and I have been using them non-stop since December. I got them in a glow for it value set from Sephora and I love them very much. I have the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter by Tarte in Exposed, and also the, how is it called, this one? The letters are so small. The Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Moonstone by Becca, and both of these blend so nice into the skin. They are buildable and they look so natural. The Tarte highlighter has a vanilla scent. It's not unpleasant, it's very subtle, and when you apply it on your face you cannot smell it. So this is Moonstone and this is Exposed by Tarte. Moonstone is a light champagne color and Exposed is a light golden color, and it looks very nice when you blend it on the skin. I got both of these in the Glow for It value set from Sephora, this one here. So they are not the full size, but you get enough quantity so you can test them and you can decide if you like them or not. And I think you can still find this on Sephora website. The next product that I want to share with you is the Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. I have a full review and wear test for this foundation and I didn't like it. It is very dry for my skin type. It was flaky around my cheeks. After a few hours it was still looking flaky. It didn't blend nice with the concealer, which is from the same series. It was the 24-Hour Super Stay Concealer, and they didn't blend nice together on my skin. I also had a problem blending my blush on top of this foundation, and basically this didn't work for my skin type. My skin is very dry and sensitive. After a few hours it was looking better, but it was flaky around my nose and my cheeks. My nose was flaky and patchy from the beginning, and it was still looking like that at the end of the day. I have seen a lot of reviews and this one works better for oily skin, but for my skin type, no. No, it is a big no. I didn't like it. I will show you one fave, one hate every time, so it is, more interesting. So the next products that I'm going to share with you are the Master Camo Correcting Pens by Maybelline. I have the green one, the apricot, and the yellow. I like these. If you're into color correcting, these are very buildable and blendable, also very pigmented, and they are very comfortable on the skin and very lightweight. If you have a lot of things to cover, I believe that you will spend more time with color correction than you need. So maybe it is better to find a fuller coverage foundation instead of using color correcting pens or another product. Most of the times I like using the yellow one and the apricot for my under eye area because they cancel the purple undertones that I have, and also they brighten up my skin tone. The green one works very nice on my skin, but I have a lot of redness, and in the end I need to apply it all over my face, so I need more time. But I wanted to show them to you in case you like color correction. These work very nice and they blend very easy on my dry skin, so maybe on yours it will look even better. With the next product I was so frustrated. I have tried this product so many times. It drives me crazy because I wanted to work for me and it doesn't. So this one is the Tinted Sunscreen Face Cream Red Grape Anti-Aging Anti-Spot by Korres, and it has SPF 50, by the way. In my travel makeup bag video, I have mentioned that my favorite sunscreen face cream was empty and I couldn't find it. I think I have the empty. Just a second, because I want to buy another one. Just a sec. Actually, I have two empties. I am a hoarder, guys. I have empties everywhere in the house. And also, I don't throw away packages. Look at me. I still have this package. Anyway, so this is another story for another video. My hoarder video story. No, my hoarder story video. Whatever. So, as I have mentioned in my travel makeup video, these are my favorite sunscreen face creams. These are completely empty, and when I went to Cyprus I couldn't find them, and I bought this one because the lady there suggested, oh, you know, you can use this one, and I tell her, this is tinted. Will this work for me? I'm very late. And she said, yes, this is for any skin tone. Oh no, it isn't. On me, it looks very muddy. It doesn't blend nice on my skin. It looks like I didn't clean my face, and it isn't for my skin tone. For someone with darker skin tone, this may work. For me, no. Also, oh my god, the scent. It is the most irritating scent ever. I don't like it, and the problem is that after you apply it on your face, you can still smell it. Maybe because I apply it on my nose too, but I can still smell it. No, I don't like this product. I don't like you. You are not good for me. I don't like you. Let's move on to another product that I liked very much for the last month, and this is the Superlast 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil by Essence, and I have done a review about it. I have been using it in my makeup tutorials. Also, every time I do my makeup, I like using this brow pencil. It blends very nice into my eyebrows. Also, the sharpener is very useful to make the tip of your twistable pencil thinner and more pointed, so you can define your brow hair even better. But also keep in mind that you need to clean that up every time you use it, otherwise you will get a lot of product in the sharpener. And the only thing that I didn't like about this brow pencil is the brush, because it is very small and it takes me more time to blend the product, but it blends the product very nice, so I don't mind. And you can also use a spoolie. This was a very nice surprise for me because I am always trying to find good products for my brows, and this one, I really like it. Another product that didn't work for my brows is the Brow Tamer by Pixi by Petra. This is a clear brow gel, and I have tried a lot of times to make it work. It never holds my brow hair in place, and also it removes the brow pencil that I have already applied, and this doesn't work for me. I have tried to make it work. It doesn't. If any of these disappointing products that I show you is one of your favorites, please let me know how you use them, because it drives me nuts when I see someone else in their videos and they use something that I don't like, and I have tried so many times. I have tried to be friends with you, but you don't want me. Moving on to another face product that I love is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Guys, so I have been watching so many YouTube videos for many years, and I always remember when this came out, all the YouTubers were using it, and I was like, oh my god, I cannot find it, because at that time I was living in Cyprus. And you know, after so many years, now I am also doing videos, and now I have finally tried it, and I love it, guys. This blends so nice into my skin, and it is buttery, it is so buildable, blendable, everything. I like that it is a matte finish, and it blends without effort on your skin. This is also a sample size. It is from the Superstar Favorites Value Set by Sephora, and I love it. This is so good. The next products are eye pencils that didn't work out for me and for my eyes, basically. I have tried the long-lasting eye pencils by Essence in Tu-tu-quoise and in Black Fever. So basically this is a black pencil and this is a turquoise. So the black pencil, I have also done a review and a wear test. I will link it down below the video. And it smudges so much. It doesn't stay in my waterline and it goes everywhere in the inner corner, outer corner. And also I have used this blue one, the turquoise. This is not very pigmented, and also after a few hours it disappears from the waterline like magic, and it goes very close to my lashes. You can still see some color, but it is not in the waterline and you don't see anything. This is not very pigmented. The formula of this one reminds me a lot of the Smart Eye Pencils by Kiko Milano. I have mentioned this in one of my Sephora hauls, and these react exactly the same. You apply them and after a few hours, maybe only 1 hour, it just disappears from the waterline and it gets in the lashes, and you don't see the color in the eyes, you know, where you applied it. Okay, yeah, so all of these, they don't work for me. Next, I have some very nice lip products that I use almost every day because they are so comfortable, so lightweight, so beautiful on the lips. And I am talking about the High Shine Glosses by Marc Jacobs. I got these from a value set by Marc Jacobs. It was a Christmas gift set. I got 5 colors, and my most favorite colors from that set are the Sugar Sugar and the Cha-Cha Changes. And what I like about these is that I removed some of my ColourPop lipstick. Okay, it is good. All is good. What I like about these are so beautiful on the lips. In the beginning, it looks like they are patchy, but you need to let them a few minutes on your lips. They warm up, they blend so nice with your own lip color. They have a very nice gloss. They are not sticky, they are very lightweight on the lips. I always remove my lipstick before I eat. With this, I always forget because I don't feel anything on my lips. I also like the applicator of these lip glosses because it is so flexible and it is so easy to apply it on your lips. And they are so cute, so beautiful. The packaging is so sleek and elegant. I love everything about these lip glosses. I use them so much that they will be empty very soon, and I'm very scared about that, guys. They cost, I think, $24 each. They're pretty pricey for one lip gloss. Speaking of lip products that worked for me, I also have some products that they didn't work for me and I don't recommend them to anyone. So I have 2 lipsticks by Kissme. These are by liveglam.com and they are a lipstick club subscription. Every month you get 3 lipsticks and I am subscribed for 2 months. I will try the program for another month to see what's happening. I mean, I don't want to get the lipsticks that I don't like, you know. So about these 2, I have the Sequins. This is a metallic liquid lipstick, and also I have the Secret Admirer. This is a matte lipstick. About Sequins, it was very thick, uncomfortable on the lips. It was patchy, and when you press your lips, it is separating and it looks gross. It doesn't look nice on the lips. On the other hand, we have this cutie pie here. It is called the Secret Admirer, and this is a very beautiful color. It is like a deep berry color. It looks amazing on the lips, but it dries very quickly. It is patchy. I mean, I don't mind that it dries very quickly. I mean, I like it, but it is patchy and I couldn't correct that, and the color looked so amazing, guys. It is an amazing color, and this formula is very lightweight in comparison with this one, but you know, both of these didn't work for me and I don't think I will use them again. Another product that I have been loving this past month is a mascara that I didn't like in the beginning. If you watch my videos, you know for which product I'm talking about. And it is the Paradise Ecstatic Mascara by Loreal. I like that it makes my lashes fuller, longer, and also I like that the formula is a little thicker. I also think it has some microfibers in it. Yes, I think it has some. With this formula, I am able to build my lashes, and a lot of times I lose lashes in my inner corner, and it looks very, very weird when I apply mascara because, you know, all my lashes are long and then I have some shorter and then again longer. And with this mascara, I am able to build those shorter lashes and make all of them look the same, and that's why I like this mascara. I also like the applicator because it is not very small or very big, and it is something that I am used to it. This mascara worked so nice for my lashes. The only thing that I don't like about this product is the price. It is €11.45, and I am used to more affordable mascaras like the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. That is my favorite, and it is less expensive than this one. This is the only thing that I don't like, because we change mascaras every 3 months. We need something affordable, you know? Another product that didn't work out for me is this lip palette by Essence. This is the Lips Go Wow lip art palette, and this is in the color Show 'Em Your Style. This is a very weird palette. I think you shouldn't even try to buy it. That's how much I don't like it. When you see the colors, you say, oh, these are perfect for every day and when I want a more nighttime makeup look. They are not. The lightest shade that it is like metallic one, it is almost invisible on your lips. Basically all the colors, they are not very pigmented. In the beginning they are very creamy, but then they become very powdery and they dry your lips. And also the darkest one is very patchy. You cannot make it look even on your lips. It is a nice cute palette, you know, small, very lightweight to have it in your purse, but it doesn't work, so it's not worth your money. Another disappointing product. Yes, I have more disappointing products instead of favorites. Sorry. So the next product that I didn't like, I mean, it was like, what is going on? This is a blur stick. So this is a blur stick by Milk Makeup. This is a primer that it will blur your pores and it will make your skin flawless. No, that didn't happen to me. I didn't see any difference on my skin texture when I applied it. Also, it made my foundation very patchy and flaky over here. And it was like I didn't have foundation. I mean, this didn't work for me. I don't know. I have very dry skin. I thought it would work, but it didn't. Let me know if you have tried this. Maybe I have used it in the wrong way. I don't know. Is there a wrong way with this one? You just apply it on your face. I don't know. It drives me nuts when I use a product that everybody else liked and I cannot make it work for me. Also, something else, I was looking oily, and that doesn't happen so often. And yeah, I don't know why it didn't work for me. No. Let me know in the comments below your favorite products and also some disappointing products that you don't know how to use them, they don't work out for you, what's going on? Or let me know if you have used any of these disappointing products that I showed you and you can make them work. I mean, how? Just let me know. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!